CGE Group Wuxi Drilling Tools Company Limited was established in 1980, which is a state-owned leading enterprise. It's located in Wuxi. The company covers an area of 120 acres and has around 159 employees. We have been specializing in coring drill products for more than 45 years. The main products include impregnated diamond bit, drill rod, core barrel assembly, and overshot. Annual output of drill rod is more than 500,000 meters. To ensure quality, the company has spent the introduction of advanced equipment. Use the ERP and ISO9001 management system to optimize your order efficiency. We have strictly controlled the quality of raw materials. All steel metals are from famous steel mills. Physical metallographic analysis and chemical composition test are also used to ensure the quality of raw materials. Immediate inspection will be done for each production procedure, and full examination will be implemented for threaded products. The company passed the certification of ISO9001 Quality System, an Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. Having more than 70 items independent intellectual property patents, the new generation wireline drill rod has broken 10 construction records of over 3,000 meters of domestic drilling. Won many honors, including the second prize of China's National Science and Technology Progress. Warmly welcome customers to cooperate with us for common success.